So, my dear friends, once again we are here, and this is Word Bank by Parishram and Endeavor. Okay, so we are here. So, I have brought some new words, and we will discuss or we will learn how to frame the word using these small words. Okay, and we can know the roots, actual roots of the words. Okay, so let us start with pedos. So what is the meaning of pedos? So let's forget, we start with pedos. Pedos means child. This is child, right? Ortho, what is the meaning of ortho? Ortho means straight, right? Odontos, odontos, and this is tooth. Okay, what is the meaning of cardia? Cardia, cardia means heart. Fine. What is the meaning of logos? Logos means science. Fine. So with the use of all these words, we are going to frame new words. So let us see. Pedos. You have heard the name of orthopedics. This is orthopedic. Or you have heard the name of orthopedist. Yes, orthopedist. As we suggest the name orthopedist, a surgeon came or a surgeon comes into our picture, that a person that is dealing with the bone problem, means it is the problem related to our skeletal system. Okay, so ortho means what? Also ortho means straight and pedos means child. Basically it was initially the when this term was originated, this term was used for straightening the bone structure of child. There was a problem in some children, and from there they have got their structure like this. So later on, surgeons or doctors, they worked on it, and they worked for the straightening of this skeletal system. So this term was originated at that time, that was dealing with pedos means child and ortho means straight. To straighten the bone of a child is called orthopedic. Later on, now orthopedist means it is a surgeon, that is surgeon or a doctor or a specialist that is leading with the problems of our bone, right? So that person is called orthopedist. Ortho means straight and pedis means pedos means child. But now this term child has been replaced, and now we are using orthopedist for as a whole for a surgeon leading with our bones or skeletal system. That is that person is working for straightening or making some surgery to make us straight our bones, right? Fine. Okay, now the next term, ortho. Ortho means straight, and this is odontos. Odontos means teeth. Okay, so we can say orthodontist. Orthodontist. So the word is clear, very much clear. Orthodontist means a doctor, a dentist that is working for straightening our tooth or straightening our teeth system, that is called orthodontist, right? So the specialty is called orthodontics, right? Orthodontics. And the person that is a specialist of this orthodontics is called orthodontist, right? Another term is cardia. Cardia means heart. Cardia means heart. So heart, and this is logos. Logos means science, right? So we can say that cardiologist. Can we understand? Can we understand the meaning of a cardiologist? A person, or the person studying the signs of the heart, right? A person, this cardiac, we can say that first of all we should know what is cardiac. Cardiac means what? Cardiac means the malfunctioning of the heart. When our heart is not operating properly, then it is called malfunction, and this is malfunctioning of heart is called cardiac, malfunctioning of the heart. So cardiologist, the person dealing with the heart or its heart problems. We are having two more problems. One is called cardiograph, cardiograph, and another word, cardiogram. So cardiograph and cardiogram. Cardiograph is an instrument. You know, cardiograph is an instrument that records the operation or the movement or the functioning of heart. That is called cardiograph. And what is cardiogram? Cardiogram is, you know, the electrically produced a graph. This is mainly when you are going for ECG, then you will get a paper, and on paper there is a graph you will get. So this is the functioning of your heart. So many of you already have gone through it. So cardiograph, it is electrically produced, record, find, of our heartbeat, electrically produced record of our heartbeat is called cardiograph, and the instrument that is producing this record is called cardiogram. So the origin is cardia. Cardia means heart, logos means science. So cardiologist, cardiologic, everything. Next is neuro. If we are talking about neurologist, right? So what is neurologist? So neurologist is nothing but, we can we can go for neurologist. So this word has been originated from neuron and plus logos. Neuron plus logos. So neuron means what? This is the meaning nerve, and this is means science. The science dealing with the study of nerves or neurons is called neurology. Okay. So neurologist means what? What we can say? What is neurologist? What we say? Neurologist, a surgeon or a specialist or a doctor that deals with our nerves, or that deals with the problems related to our nerve. Okay, so that is called neurologist. So another word here we can get neurology. Now it becomes very important to know the name, or this is nerve, neuro means nerve, and this is algos. Algos means what? Algos means pain. Algos means pain. It means the pain in nerve is called neurology. Okay, neurology, right? Fine. We can say that the pain in our nerves is called neurology. So neurology is nothing but inflammation of the nerves, right? Now this is related to the acute pain in our nerves. Now another word we have got, and that is neuritis. And this neuritis means this is again nerve, and itis means what? This is inflammation. Okay, so neuritis is the term used for the inflammation in nerve is called neuritis. Now another word we have got, neurosis. What is the meaning of neurosis? Neurosis means neuron, this is the meaning, neuron, and plus this is osis. Osis means what? Osis means abnormal or diseased condition is called Osis means abnormal or disease condition. It means neurosis is nothing but when our nerves are not in normal condition, then this is called neurosis. Neurosis, right? Neurosis. Now, what is the actual meaning of neurosis? A person suffering from neurosis, it means he is, you know, he is devoting his energy for unimportant things, like predicting future, like just to take revenge for with someone, and like counting money, like he is bothering about what will happen tomorrow. So he is wasting his energy in just analyzing all these unuseful things. So that is called neurosis. Neurosis is a mild word, but when we are talking about psychosis is a very dangerous word. Psychosis means mental or disorder, mental disorder, that is called psychosis. So another term we are again coming on, psychosis. Psychosis is mental disorder, that is called psychosis. Psyche, now the word psychosis has been formed by, this is psychosis, right? So this psyche is this is formed by psyche. Psyche means what? Psyche means whole, this is called soul, mind, right? A spirit, and this is called psyche. So psyche means osis, this inflammation or abnormal or disease condition from psyche plus osis. So this is a little a situation that must be bothering, right? Psychosis. So psychiatrist means what? So now another word, and that is psychiatrist. So it's better to rub all the words. Psychosis. Psycho means osis, that is soul, mind, and spirit. Now we have got psychiatrist. Psychiatrist. So psychiatrist means what? This is psyche and plus iatria. This is called iatria, right? IATREIA, and this is iatria, means medical healing. This is called medical healing, right? Medical healing inside. So psychiatrist is the person who is dealing with, or who is the specialist of this medical disorder, and that is called psychosis. And this is psychosis, the person deals with this disease is called psychiatrist. So there is a another adjective, and we call say, so this is not PSY, this is PSY only, so get it corrected. Thank you very much. So psychosis, so this is PSY, psychiatrist, PSY, psychiatrist. So now the word is psychotic. This is psychotic. So psychotic means what? PSYCHOTIC, psychotic means medically unbalanced. You can say here this is medically unbalanced. Is called psychotic, right? So we have not medically, but this is called mentally, mentally unbalanced. Psyche means mind, okay? Psyche means eotic, okay? So this is mentally unbalanced, and that is called psychotic. So psychotic is treated by psychiatrist, fine. And second, now psychiatrist, psychotic, right? So this is the thing, and we have to learn, and we have to keep in our mind. One more thing I would like to once again, so when we are talking about psycho, so this is psychiatrist, okay? Psychiatrist. Now so what is the meaning of pediatrics? Pediatrics. What is the meaning of pediatrics? So pedia means, you know, pedos plus pedos and plus EITRIEA. So this is called pediatrics, right? And now we have got another word, and that we have to learn, and that is geriatrics or geriatrician, and this is geriatrist, right? So what is geriatrics? Geriatrics means geros, means this is the meaning old age. This is geria means zeros, zeros means old age, right? This is zeros, and plus eartria, it means medical healing, medical healing, eartria, right? So old age, it means this person needed, a person, old person or elderly person, and that is that he or she is needy of this medical healing or medical treatment, and that is called geriatrics. And the person who is providing this medical healing, that is called geriatrician, and this geriatrist, a specialist of is called geriatrician, right? So geriatric, uh, geriatrician and geriatrist. So the person providing medical healing to the elderly person is called geriatrist. So finally one more thing I would like to explain, and that is very important, and that is cardiogram, and this is cardiograph. People always, make here a mistake. So cardiograph is an instrument. This is an instrument, mind it, this is instrument. And cardiogram, this is an electrically produced record, electrically produced record of heartbeat. So keep in mind, this is cardiogram, that is the record of our heartbeat, and cardiograph is the instrument producing the record. So mind it and keep in mind. So thank you very much. In next video we are coming with another words. Thank you.